Best Way Auto Upholstery presents 2007 Rolls-Royce Phantom Interior Repair. Easily the top of the mind of British luxury cars, the Rolls-Royce Phantom represents the best of the breed. Well, let's take a look inside. The driver's seat is damaged and leather is worn out. Armrest upholstery needs to be replaced either. It doesn't look very nice. The steering wheel has scratches and will be restored too, as well as sagging headliner and sunroof material. In this video, we are sharing some insights on how we fixed Rolls-Royce rigged seats and sagging headliner while saving thousands of dollars for the owner. We've installed beige suede material on the sunroof. New headliner looks excellent and must serve a dozen years. The next step is the driver's seat. We've removed it from the car and started preparation. To keep the original form, the seat foam needs to be restored as well. We do not use pre-made covers, and all Rolls-Royce leather covers are handmade crafted by our professionals. And here is the armrest transformation. Well, our work is done. Let's take a look inside now. Driver's door armrest, seat and console look like new. Headliner, sunroof and steering wheel, all the problems this car had before are fixed. Visit Best Way Auto Upholstery for interior restoration or minor auto interior repair. Call for a quote 310-435-8417.